All right, guys, if you want to change the Gemini assistant to the ChatGPT assistant, I'm going to show you guys how to do this here. So it's pretty easy. So we're going to swipe down, go to settings, and then we're going to type in side button. Type in side button and go ahead and click on that. All right, so you guys see long press and click the setting icon. And then you can see if we go back to Google, it'll pull up Chat or Gemini. But if we come down here, and if we click on settings, we can also get another assistant. I downloaded the Claude assistant, so you could change it to that. And that's pretty much it. So now, what's the weather like in New York City?
New York City is definitely something else, right? There's always something happening, whether it's the buzz of Times Square, the serenity of Central Park, or just a cozy little coffee shop.
Okay, I didn't ask it that, but that is basically how you do it.